SERV stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether SERV Robotics stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Good stuff. I mean, 4% up as well, but I'm still doing this. I'm still waiting for the rules to be met. They have not been met yet because one, we haven't tapped inside a gray zone and I've not gotten like a double break in order to take it higher. Two, I need to see a break above here to then still be bullish, you know. And for right now, I'm just waiting. You know, there's nothing else that I would try and do here. Nothing else that I try, you know, maybe short term. No, I'll just wait. You know, I'll just chill. Because like it's not the point to just be a part of every single movement, you know. Like all I'm using is just something that I've tested for 26,000 videos that's previously given me thousands of correct predictions. So I'm being patient and cool. So if you want to learn the strategy for free, check the photos link in the description. You can see all reviews are 5 stars, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, enjoy, have a wonderful day for the rest of your day.